Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friend, first of all I want to say thank you so much for your love and for your support. Really I'm so glad and love you all. Friends, tomorrow I'm so happy, because there is a surprise for you all. I just wanted to show you something. I'm not able to stop myself because this surprise is really something great for me. Of course, maybe you may say, this is very common and this is very, okay. But of course, the surprise I wanted to show you, this is really a very big thing for me. As you know that my channel is Only Piano by Raya Chaudhary. So I just wanted to make a change about my shoot and everything. So I was keep thinking, what should I do? How can I make some more? I can give something different. So then I realized I should have one extra camera. Though I am having one GoPro and one Nikon camera also, but then I thought that I should have one drone so that I can take my piano outside and I can keep my piano and I can shoot. I can take out some some footage, some new So friends, the surprise is here, and really I must thanks to God that I got one drone. So let's unbox my drone. Though I don't know how to operate, I have to see, I have to read the manual, I have to see the operation, then only I can show you. Today I will show you my drone, and my in my next videos you will see something different, because of course I will use my drone. So let's go, let's see. So here is the bag. This is the thing is inside, and should I go? Let's go. So here is the zip. Here is the zip. Okay, so I have shown you. This is the bag inside, as you can see. So let's start with the dawn of. Oh wow, this is really so beautiful, amazing. You can see, friends. Okay, so this is the main drone. Okay, and this is a box. I don't know what is inside. Let's open it. Here are some of the cables. This is the charger, and what is it? I don't know. Let me see. Okay, I think this is a battery. I think battery of the drone. So this is, and I have taken. I have seen online that a set of single batteries, a set of 2 batteries, a set of 3 batteries. So I thought this will be better if I take a set of 3 batteries. So I have taken a set of 3 batteries, and you can see this is 1 battery, this is 2, and this is 3 battery. This is the battery, I think. Yes, this is the battery. This will go inside. I have to see how to attach all this. Okay, this is the battery, right? And I can see there is one more unit. Let's go. What is it? I think this is the remote. I think yes. Yeah, this is a remote. I have to see how to open it. I have to see the manual first, because until unless I will not be able to use it. And this is the power button. Yeah, as you can see, this is a power button. Yeah, this is a power button, and it stopped. I don't know why it is not blinking. So what is this? Can I see it? What is this? Maybe because I have seen one of my friend is having this sort of this type of drone. So I think this will come here. This is the joystick. This is the yeah, and this is the second joystick. So I think that's it. This is the joystick. This is the joystick. I don't know how to operate, but it is totally assumption. Maybe this will go high, zzz, and this will move here and there, and and what is this? I think this is. I think this is here. I will have to attach the phone through which I can see all the view. Okay, so this is the cable. I have to see, friends. I don't know. I will try to make one more video so that at the time of using this, so I will show you how to, because I have to check it, friend. I'm really so sorry because I don't have. This is the first time because even this is. Can I open it? Okay, that's it. This is one popular. Oh wow. Wow, friend, just a moment. Okay, that's it. Wait. I think it will come like this. So this is the drone. Yeah, friend. Oh wow, it's really. I think this is the camera, and I think camera. Yeah. Okay. This is the cover. Yeah, and camera is here. You can see this is the cover, and this is the camera, right? And this will, I can I think if I use this joystick, this camera will move here and there, and it will. This is only the assumption. I don't know, friend. I'm sorry. I have to see. Okay, check it. Yeah, and there is some more thing. What is it? Okay, I think these are all the cable, extra cables, because I am using iPhone 12. So because I have given, while purchasing this set, I have given because I use iPhone 12. So this is the C type, and this is iPhone 12 jack. Okay, those who are using some other options are also there, C to C, C to normal, C to everything. So that's a cable. Okay, and this is a charger, and this is my remote. Okay, friend, I will tell you, because I have seen many of the YouTubers, they explain that those who are using drone, they said while purchasing, if anyone is planning to purchase drone, they should have extra this popular, because this is the only thing, this damage. So while ordering this thing, I also order some extra. You can see here, this is the zip, and these are all, you see, these are some extra, popular rear and back. This is set to rear and back. This is, I don't know, I think this is the screwdriver, so I can open it and replace this. This is the third one, and okay, this is knob, that I have seen, that, yeah, this they have given one more pair of this. So this is also here. So these are all my things, and this is my drone. Now, friends, so happy. No, next time you will see the different in making of video. So not only piano by Raja Chaudhary. You will say something, you will see something different, and yes, I will use this and I will give you some more excitement. Yeah, definitely. So friends, please, it's my request, it's my humble request, please support me, share my videos, and please tell your friends, your family members that they subscribe my channel as much as they can, so that I can, I'm not getting anything from YouTube, this all I am paying it from my pocket. So please bless me so that I can do some more with my channel. Thank you so much.